Good food made simple, breakfast bowl, egg whites, uncured bacon, and turkey sausage is a hit. Now, March is Frozen Food Month, so we're celebrating all month and rating all frozen foods this week. Cooking prepared foods that contain eggs in a microwave can be tricky, but this brand figured it out. The egg whites came out fluffy and flavorful. The pieces of bacon, perfect. The peppers and onions add just the right amount of flavor and mild kick. Now, I would like to see a tiny bit more cheddar cheese though. Make sure you stir thoroughly after the first 2 minutes, otherwise the turkey sausage overcooks a bit. This is just 270 delicious and filling calories with 15 grams of fat, 18 grams of protein. The sodium is a bit high at 650 milligrams, but it's still lower than many other frozen breakfast foods. But I'd love to see it even lower. Now you have no excuse not to eat breakfast. Retails for $3.99 for 7 ounces. Total score is 90. For complete product information, just log on to supermarketguru.com.